Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza like Pizza Hut. First, let's master the foundation, the dough. For that signature chewy crust, start with a recipe using 2½ cups of bread flour. Don't forget to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to the dough for that rich, authentic flavor. Next, for the sauce, simmer it gently with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. This combination creates a robust base for your pizza. Now, let's talk about the cheese and toppings. For that classic Pizza Hut taste, a blend of 8 ounces of low-moisture mozzarella and 2 ounces of provolone cheese works wonders. When adding your toppings, spread them evenly across the dough, making sure to leave about a 1/2 inch border around the edge for the crust to puff up beautifully. This ensures every bite is perfectly balanced and delicious. The baking process is crucial for achieving that golden perfection. Place your pizza on a preheated pizza stone or steel in an oven set to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake it for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is beautifully golden brown and the cheese is bubbly with a few brown spots. Once out of the oven, let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. For those final, irresistible touches, brush the warm crust with 1 tablespoon of melted garlic butter. This adds an incredible aroma and flavor that truly elevates your homemade pizza. A light sprinkle of 1/4 teaspoon of dried parsley over the top also adds a fresh, appealing finish. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience. Enjoy your delicious, homemade pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.